As we begin our lesson on money, we need to make sure we're familiar with the coins and the bills, what they look like, and what their value is. The first coin we have is the penny. This is the heads, and this is the tails, and its value is 1. It takes 100 pennies to equal $1. The next coin is the nickel. Here we have the heads and the tails. Its value is 5 cents, and it takes 20 nickels to equal $1. Next, we have the dime, the heads and its tails. Its value is 10 cents, and it takes 10 dimes to equal $1. And our next coin is the quarter. Here we see its heads and its tails. Its value is 25 cents, and it takes 4 quarters to equal $1. And just a quick look at our $1 bill, our $5 bill, our $10 bill, our $20 bill, and a $100 bill. Now we need to use what we know about money to solve some real-world problems. Sue earns $9 each time she cleans a car. Each of her parents has a car. She can clean each car one time per month. So how much can Sue earn in 6 months? Well, first we have to look at $9 for each car, and each of her parents has a car. So we have $9 times her 2 parents, which means she could get $18 per month for washing her parents' cars. But we want to know how much Sue can earn in 6 months. So I would take my $18 per month, multiply it by 6 months, and get $108. So Sue can earn $108. Here's another real-world money problem. Jenny bought a shirt for $13.79, including tax. She paid with a $20 bill. What change will she receive? And if the clerk gives her the fewest bills and coins possible, what bills and coins will she get back? Now here's an important rule. Remember that when you use decimal money amounts, you follow the same rules as you do when using whole numbers, but you need to correctly place the decimal point in your answer, which means when we are adding and subtracting money, we need to make sure we're lining our numbers up correctly and keeping our decimals lined up. So Jenny has bought a shirt. This shirt costs $13.79. She gave the clerk a $20 bill. In order to find out how much change she would get back, we would need to subtract. But as you can see, I could not do 0 minus 9, so I needed to go regroup. In going to the 10th place, there was nothing. I went to the 1's place, there was nothing, so I went to the 10's place, and there was a 2. So we regrouped. That changed that to a 1, and now this 0 becomes a 10. It can regroup, so it becomes a 9, and this 0 becomes a 10. It can regroup, so this 10 becomes a 9, and this 0 becomes a 10. Now we can subtract. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 3 is 6. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So Jenny will get $6.21 back. The second question was, what is the fewest bills and coins? She would get that $6.21 back as one $5 bill and one $1 bill. That makes her $6. 2 dimes would be the 20 cents, and 1 penny would make 21 cents.